With few ingredients from your kitchen, you can make this hair food. And this hair food can be used for hair growth, hair shine, and texture. This is one amazing hair food you should have. Alright everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be making this hair food you can just make from your kitchen. I'm using shea butter. If you get cocoa butter, that is fine. Most people's hair tolerates shea butter. You can decide to use mango butter or cocoa butter, whatever butter you can find. And I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and also you can use any oil that works well with your hair. And next, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of black Jamaican castor oil. You can also use any oil. And I'm also going to be adding this thick castor oil I got from my local store here. It is kind of like medicinal. Most people drink it, but I decided to add it to my DIY because it is thick and it gives this thick shine to hair. So next, I'm going to be adding 2 types of essential oils, the tea tree and the lemongrass. Just few drops of those essential oils are good. And next, I'm going to be blending it in this blender. I didn't mix it up in warm water because I don't want it to have clumps. So in order to aid this blending, I had to mix 2 spoons of shea butter and 1 spoon of coconut oil to liquefy it, kind of add it to this mixture to help me blend the whole thing together. I hope you understand. I don't want to mix it in hot water and then having to blend it. It kind of gives me clumps. So I want my shea butter to be fine. I want it like a fine, smooth texture. I want it like this homemade food, hair food. You know, when you buy hair food from the store, you have this fine texture. Yeah, that is what I'm looking for, and that is what I got here. That was why I had to go through the whole process of doing the whole thing. So it is fine. There's no clumps whatsoever. It is so fine, like hair food. Trust me, this hair food is awesome. And this is it. I left it for a whole day and it has solidified. And I'm going to be using it on my daughter's hair here. This is awesome. It is so fine. I'm going to be applying it to a washed and clean hair. First, I applied hair conditioner, and then I'm just going to apply the hair food. It is so fine. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends or families who are trying to grow their daughter's hair or their hair. This hair food is awesome. Honestly, it is awesome. I like stretching out my daughter's hair once in a while, not every time, just to kind of help her hair stretch out and to also help her hair grow. So once in a while I do this.